Okay.
Is it? You're gonna say a little.
Number 10 is up here. All right.
Oh, dang.
You guys remember these? If a person is Oklahoman, then they say y'all.
That is very
True. That's what the other class came up with.
Why couldn't we make up one?
We should make up one.
Because you were not in my first class.
That's like the best possible answer.
Okay. So you're supposed to write these. What's Converse mean? Switch.
If a person says y'all, then they're Oklahoman.
Yeah.
I forgot what it's called.
I have a feeling. No, I don't.
If a person is Oklahoman, they say y'all.
Okay. About inverse.
If a person is not Oklahoman,
Yes, the not statements.
So they both are not.
Yeah, both are not. If a person is not Oklahoman, not okay, then they don't say.
What if they're from Texas?
You know. We're not saying whether it's true or false. We're just saying. What's contrapositive do?
Like it's like
Converse and inverse together.
Combination.
Combination. Switches the order and does not. So if a person does not say y'all, then they are not Oklahoman.
this one's true. Is that a vacuum?
That was the AC.
Oh, I thought it was a vacuum.
It's been on a lot today. Probably should sneeze into your arm, not your hand.
Got it.
Do you guys remember the biconditional?
Yes.
Goes both ways.
A person is Oklahoman if and only if they say y'all.
Right. You drop the if on the front and connect the two parts with if and only if. So a person is Oklahoman if and only if they say y'all.
This is true.
That's the defining characteristic of an Oklahoman.
Yo, Grunt, you want some magic?
Sure.
I majored that in science.
I like this. This is fun.
Can you pour water through it?
I
Yes,
just feel like
I think
you
we
don't.
do that very shady.
Water, people, water.
Alright, are we done with the red?
Your actions can have irreversible consequences. And you just don't understand.
Isabella.
I don't love you. That's unreversible.
What is
So-
secretly, man?
Alright, we're leaving logic and coming into geometry. Whoops, that was the other questions. There we go. So that was page 1. Lots of sentences on page 1. This is page 2 of the test. Here's a page 3.
I'm really bad at this page.
Oh, this is probably the page everybody will do best on, I bet.
is. Oh, it's this. Oh, never mind. Actually, I didn't know what this is. I didn't know what this is. Bake, shake, date, eight.
Gotta get into nap, man. It's about time we had a snow day.
I think it's too early.
I could stay home and read in front of the fire, even though I don't have a fireplace. Doesn't sound nice. No.
Wait, what?
You probably
Hope wants to be at school.
I have.
I don't know.
Did they see the videos of them like
Fireplaces are kind of cool, but they're kind of also hot.
it's also the name of the novel? Yeah.
Is that a
I
plan?
saw that with my name, but I can't.
I didn't do the video that I was looking at.
I did it.
Double meaning of hot.
I want to hear Man.
Okay. So, what is the measure of angle APB? 90. When they put that box in there, that means it's 90, right? Right there. Okay, what is the measure of angle BPC? Right there.
48.
Okay, if this is 90, this one has to be 90, right? Right there. So these two have to add up to 90, so how do I find the missing one? 90 minus 42.
Yeah, 48.
You're stupid.
Okay, then we have angle CPE.
Oh, that one.
CPE, right there.
Is that 78?
Add them together, 78. Angle APF.
Would that be 42?
Yes, what are those angles called when they're
Vertical.
vertical? Vertical angles are congruent, that is a theorem.
I think that one happens to be
DPF.
that one big.
Let's see, there's D, P, and there's F.
So it's like 36. That's like 70. That's like 180 minus 72. Looks like.
No, you're thinking of
I
FPE
forgot. Would it be?
or something, I don't know which.
Oh, I wasn't
Be
even.
like 180
Oh no.
and then minus 70.
No, you're thinking of DP or
Yeah.
FPE.
That's what I was thought.
Wait, was that not the question?
No, it's DPF.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, DPF or FPD or DPF or whatever is almost a straight angle, right? It's 42 short of a straight angle. So it's 180 minus 42.
So it'd be like
130.
130.
Yeah, let's go. That was so amazing. It's making me talk. It's making me cry.
What, oh. Man, this is gonna be a whole paragraph, like, essay in here.
Alright.
No, did you read it?
Whoa.
Hopefully I did not lose the other page. Let's see if I can find it.
Let's grab it, guys.
Green from?
You know, like those
Read the whole thing, read the whole thing. I did.
Wait, what?
You know, the ring doorbell was like. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's a ring doorbell.
Actually,
They were like-
she's like,
I know,
you need to
'cause
be more
that's my
confident.
doorbell.
I'm like, girl,
Ring
what?
doorbell.
You
Mine
need
is-
more self-esteem.
It's pretty loud. That's like a bell.
You're bad at it. I know you.
Whoa.
Oh, that was page I was just
I
on.
wish I could have
Yay.
Well, because you didn't.
You slept.
Who is it? Oh no, my
It's,
grandma. Since she's
well,
falling
it's a
out
really
the
easy
I
stairs.
sent the meme to the chat yesterday and there was like 10.
Oh yeah.
You know what I
What's your favorite song?
Look, I did it. What?
Is that an old man song?
It's Freebird.
Shannon.
Freebird is
I did it. Here, I added it.
You too, Shannon. You too.
Exactly. First Shannon, then this one. You just said
Yeah,
yes.
you're
You're
just
just
I want to see the answer for
What's your
number
favorite song?
19.
Oh gosh. Oh wow.
These are homework.
This is
pages. Not-
Oh, I think so good.
Wait, no,
You can do a lowercase.
it was
Guys,
almost-
number 19 is -9 and -5. -3. Trip. Guys, I missed the trip.
But always stand up.
I think I lost the page. Might have to rewrite it.
Oh no, it's gonna be right. Oh man.
We'll listen to them.
We don't have to do the test tomorrow. We can just give you time.
That's like hard.
It was a little funky. Yeah, Lisa's really worried that she's gonna be fine.
I don't think I can see it on here.
Cool. Oh, yay, I'll give you a laptop. Wait, what did you say?
Didn't do anything. He must have been the wind.
Whoa.
Wait, what was that over there?
Yeah, exactly.
Anna's so crusty.
What about the team behind me?
So basic.
I was like the basic white girl.
I'm
Looks
still
like
in the
me.
wind.
Harry.
Alright, that's fine.
Even though we're in a closed building, the wind is very strong.
Okay. Were we on 15? Was that the next one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess.
There it is.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Eli.
Yo, what's up, Eli? I hope you're having a great and splendid day.
Oh, look, where is
As those Jap...
Nah,
I forgot.
Forrest, you can have
Forrest is cool. He's like part... What's it called?
tree.
Yeah. He's like Groot, but less cool.
Okay.
And Forrest. Go...
How's he like Groot?
What?
How's he like Groot?
Oh my gosh,
Because he's a
because Groot's a
tree.
tree and
Okay,
Shannon.
he's not a
Shannon.
tree.
Shannon, how far
How
are
do
you
you
behind
not
us?
know this?
I don't think she's seen all the Marvel movies.
Oh
I
my.
think she's
Oh,
behind us.
wow.
That is like
Oh my.
so
That's like so
unbelievable.
embarrassing.
That is unbelievable.
He's not like Groot. He's like annoying.
Groot's annoying. He says, I am
No,
Groot.
he isn't. He's
Groot is a tree.
Yeah.
Forest name is
You just call it
Forest.
tree cute.
See?
I said Groot.
Yeah, he's a
Groot?
sentient tree.
Groot?
Groot.
Groot. The tree. Y'all are stupid.
Alright, anyway. What do I know about these two angles?
They add up to 190.
They add up to
90.
90.
Yeah, that's what I see, not 190.
So,
I messed up. What's your favorite song?
so x plus 4 plus 2x plus 5 equals 90.
I did that. I got the values together.
The x's go together. I don't know why it's writing big right now. 3x
Plus 9.
Yeah.
Okay, can I borrow a pencil? I mean, a calculator. Joker.
I have one, but I don't want to get it out.
It's 54 plus 5.
54 plus 5.
59. And then the other one would be, what's it called?
Okay, is that the answer?
No.
Yeah.
We put that in.
Oh no.
That's
You have to
correct,
plug it
so
in.
then you plug in.
Okay,
your
angle
sine.
ABD is 27 plus 4.
That is 31. 31, 59.
What if you just think it's 31?
Oh my gosh. Hey Shannon, guess what? The map is
Okay.
online.
You have your own
This is
personality.
Guys, the other one we can plug in also, but these two together should add up to 90, right? So 90 minus 31 is, you know, you can kind of check your answers by plugging x into both of those, see if they add up to 90. Alright. This one, this thing right here, it's a problem that I'm basically skipping. It's because on the test, they put a thing like that. What does that mean? It means when there's two little arcs right there, it means they're the same angle. So they're just telling you those two angles are equal. But in the picture, it looks like this.
So is that one skipped on the test?
No, it's on the test. I just didn't do it on this because it took too long. But it just means these two angles are equal. You girls paying attention because you might get that one wrong tomorrow. All right, number 16. M is the midpoint. And find AM and AB. The length of AM and the length of AB.
The math does not lie. Shannon, I'm really shocking you.
That's like.
Oh, man. All right, if M is the midpoint, what do we know? They're equal to each other, so that equals that. It's an algebra problem. Use distributive property. I wish it wasn't writing this big. You got x's on both sides, so you need to get rid of them on one side by subtracting x's. By minus 4x.
Plus 56.
Okay, x is 15. So how long is AM? 15 minus 7, 8 times 8.
64.
And the other one's 64 too, because that's in.
But it's yeah, it's asking for AB though.
Yeah, those math, it's one.
64 times 2.
I'm sorry, I forgot that step.
Oh, it's in the instructions.
I mean, I was right, I just forgot the step.
Okay, 17. Find the coordinate. So this is one of those problems that they're not drawing the picture for you, so I highly recommend, like we did one of these on the homework yesterday. So you need to draw the picture yourself. It's talking about coordinates. Find the coordinate of A.
Yeah.
Oh, this was fun.
And then M is the midpoint.
M is the midpoint still.
I feel like that one Lego guy. It's like, hey, thing, horrible things happen, and what was it?
All right, how did you guys do it? How far is it from M to B? 69. So you have to subtract to get the length. And then, so this length would also have to be 69. So you do 56 minus 69 and get negative 13.
Let's go. We're too good at this. Winky emoji.
Go, Ken.
All right.
What's that?
So we just finished page 2.
Wait, page 3?
Page 3.
Yeah, let's go. problems we have, the more grade. We're gonna be here.
Well, it's worth the same grade. The more you can miss and not get a B or something like that, I guess. There are a lot of questions on the test. Over 30, I think. Anyways, so this one is fill in the blank. It does actually on the test have a hint, like, but the hint might not help you. It's definition of congruent segments for this one, for example.
Are we just going to write definition, like depth?
No, that's not the answer.
No, I mean like for the test, we're not writing depth of like 100 segments. So they can be smaller.
Yeah, I guess. So, if AB is congruent to CD, segment AB is congruent to segment CD, then what do we know?
CD
You guys remember this lesson? Their links are the same, and how did we write that?
AB equals C.
Yeah, it's just AB equals CD. Their links are equal. This next one is the linear pair theorem. If A and B are a linear pair, then what do we know? Huh? They add up to 180, yes. Measure angle A plus B equals 180. Okay, 20 is the one I'm kind of worried about here, the most out of this group. If AB plus BC equals AC, not quite, no. B is between A and C. Or, do you guys remember the fancy way we wrote that? A dash B dash C. B is between A and C. Not necessarily in the middle, but it's somewhere on the segment between A and C.
Doesn't matter where B is, they would always add up to.
Yeah. It could be on the edge over here. Like that.
Why is it so
Still
thick?
add up the way it
I
is.
don't know, it screws up sometimes when I go back to the old pages. Alright. If M is the midpoint of segment AB, then what do I know? Right, the two parts are equal. AM equals MB. Might draw a picture to help you out, but yeah, the two segments A and MB have to be the same.
Yeah, exactly.
I should draw you a picture every day, and you have to read it.
Hold on, I'm not quite done yet.
What? No.
A little bit more.
She said that there's more over 30.
Well, we're not gonna get over 30, I skipped a few questions.
It's a dinosaur. That's my favorite kind of dinosaur.
Okay,
You sound like George.
you,
You sound like
so what property am I naming here? Or definition or postulate or theorem or whatever. If segment AB is congruent to segment CD and segment CD is congruent to segment EF, then segment AB is congruent to segment EF. Transitive property.
What if we do transitivity and alpha property?
I'd probably give it to you.
Yay.
If angle E is congruent to angle D, then measurement of angle E equals measurement of angle D. Definition of congruent angles. the angles are supplementary, then they add up to 180. Definition of supplementary. Here's a hard one. Well, maybe, I don't know. If point D is interior to angle ABC, you guys know where I'm going with this?
Yeah.
Angle, I'll draw a picture. If point D is interior to angle ABC, what do we know?
Then they're the same.
Angle,
Angle
no, not a bisector. Angle ABD plus angle DBC
Oh,
equals angle ABC. Yeah, it's called the angle addition postulate.
Yeah. Why are you so mean?
Mr. Durham, what's your favorite dinosaur?
When I was a kid, I always, because everybody said T-Rex, I went with Triceratops.
Let's go.
Imagine,
Just to be different.
Oh.
imagine not being a Spinosaurus fan.
Huh?
It's
got 3 horns on its head, kind of like a...
the Diplodocus.
Spinosaurus is real S tier.
The Diplodocus.